Here we are, it's Valentine's Day 2015. It's a red letter day today. Yesterday we received word that I am finally off the corporation and license for Roof Life. I've been waiting 5 years for that date. And so about 10-15 years ago I bought this pager. So when customers were having issues, they would call me or estimates, and so I didn't like this pager very much, especially when it was raining, because it would go off and I'd have to call them back and they'd freak out. So here we are in beautiful Salem, Utah, here at the lake. So we're going to do a ceremonial cast off Roof Life from the shoulders. I feel light, and so I'm going to throw this pager into the lake. I know it's not very environmentally aware, but I'm going to do it anyway because I've been thinking about this for 5 years. So here we go. Then it's going to film me, and I'm going to throw this. Finally, I'm off Roof Life. So let's get it done. I'm ready. I've been waiting a long time.
Yeah.
It's a busy day at the bridge today.
Show us your happy smile.
I am so happy. The weight is off my shoulders. Now it can be raining in San Francisco and I don't have to worry about it anymore.
Amen.
Amen.